Simplify the more complex side first. So we've got two fractions here, and we've got one fraction here. So the goal is to make this side look like this side. And in order to do that, we need to change these two fractions into one fraction. So how do we combine these? Well, we need a common denominator. So to get a common denominator, I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by this. And then here I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by this. Okay, now that this matches with this, we can add the top. I just did it to make this match with this, but you don't have to include the parentheses around sign. Okay, so we got 1 plus cosine, 1 minus cosine. So that's difference of squares. So 1 squared, just 1, minus cosine squared. What's 1 minus cosine squared? Well, you need to remember sine squared x plus cosine squared x equals 1. So how do I create 1 minus cosine squared? So we got sine squared x equals 1 minus cosine squared x. So I can change this to sine squared x. Okay, can we simplify further here? Well, yes, if we factor out a sign, we can cancel. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, and we just cancel. So this is 1, this becomes sine x. What does the top become? So we're subtracting cosine and then we're adding cosine. So negative cosine x plus positive cosine x, that's just 0. 1 plus 1 is how much? 2. Okay, this is starting to look a lot more like the right-hand side. But now, I'm going to convert the right-hand side into only terms with sines and cosines. The reason why I'm doing this is because they're only sines and cosines. Well, there are no cosines here, but there's just sine on the left-hand side. So we want to make this look a lot like this now. Okay, so 2 times secant is 1 over cosine x divided by tangent x is sine x over cosine x. Okay, so this becomes 2 over cosine x. So I combine this, and then to divide by this, I flip the fraction upside down. I can cancel, so then I'm going to say our last line is 2 over sine x equals 2 over sine x. Barely fit it on one sheet. This is your answer.